go over how to draw Venom eating Spider-Man, okay? It's going to be real simple, easy for beginners, so let's get started, alright? It's only be an 8-minute video, stay all the way to the very end. And if you do, you're going to have that in your long-term memory, okay? So let's jump in. First thing I do here is I'm going to draw a line over here for the edge of Venom's smile. Kind of like a kink line there. Curve across over here for kind of the overall top of his mouth here. And then I'm going to go a line over here for the side of his cheek, like an L shape. And then I'm going to put a curved line here for the dome area, right, for the top of his head. Let me get a better marker over here. For some reason this marker is like dying. That marker was dying on me. Now I got a better one. I'm going to go over here and draw a line in for the center of the eye area. Down, curve. Out over here. Curve, down over here, curve, and then curve out. So you see, like, this side of the eye is visible because it's, you know, we're turning the head a little bit, and this one is not because it's on the far side of it. I'm going to redraw this line real quick in the good marker. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to curve down, and I'm going to put the teeth now, okay? So line here. It's just triangles, essentially. Different sizes, different lengths. Try to vary it up because the more you're going to vary it up, the more natural it's going to feel. Pulling down. Alright, going to curve at the top. And I draw Spider-Man's head inside, like, oh no, he's being eaten alive. So circle, more like an egg shape actually. Gonna go over here, pull out for one of Spider-Man's eyes. Curve out over here for the other one. I just started playing that Spider-Man game. It's a classic one on PS4. It's really good. Really good. It reminds me of the Arkham games. Curve over here. Curve over here, and I'm gonna form that line down. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna throw some teeth at the bottom, and I'm just gonna throw these triangular shapes right here, and I'm gonna close a lot of them off over here like this. And I'm going to pull a line down straight. Cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the tongue. Curve under here. Curve like this. Circle for the center of Spider-Man's head because we want to get that pattern in his head, right? Line up here. Gonna pull a straight line down, pretty much imagine that straight all the way through. Up, 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 up. Curve, curve, curve over here. And now I'm gonna throw these curve stuff for the spider web, right? So it's a circular pattern. Right here. Like so. And then I'm going to draw a kind of these curved lines here for the inner mouth area. I'm going to draw a little bit of a thicker line everywhere. The reason I want to do that is because I want to make it look a little bit more kind of like a sticker, like something you can like closed off, because this is kind of what it is. It's just like his head in there. Curved here. And kind of just closing it off in that area. but I do want to throw in a little bit more. Like now we get into details, so that's kind of easy to do because everything is. So let's say the tongue has a little bit of a line underneath to kind of create some shape, curve over here underneath as well, kind of where his head is popping out. Maybe a little bit more lines on the inside of the mouth as it opens up, right? The back inside of the mouth. Right, and maybe some teeth here in the back. And maybe even some teeth here on the side, right there. Because again, details are things that won't make or break the picture. Sometimes details can make the picture, honestly, and if you put too many of them, yeah, it's possible it can break the image. But generally speaking, you're not really gonna I would say generally speaking, you're not gonna destroy the image off of one picture, in my opinion. Off of one image, off of just pure details, because as long as the overall image reads right, like you can tell what it is, the overall image that you were trying to achieve, as long as that's fine, I mean, that's kind of really it, to be honest. So I mostly it. If you want, you can draw his body there if you want. That'd be kind of cool, but I would say I'm gonna leave it like so, and it's a cool symbol as is, and that's pretty much it. What I want you to do is to share the video. The channel is a seasonal channel. Share it if you can. It really helps the channel out when you do that. Or just press like on any of the videos you enjoy. Go through the past ones and press like on those, and when you do that, it kind of boosts the overall kind of positivity of the channel. And yeah, like I love doing this as a living, and I love doing this all the way through. So if you like me doing, if you want me to continue these through the year like this, like continued all the way through the Halloween, hit the subscribe, okay, and click the bell notification, and I will make it happen. All right, absolutely do that. All right, thanks so much. I'll talk to you next time, and I'll see you very, very soon. All right, one last thing, like I said, request things you want me to see, want me to do on the channel, and I will totally make it happen. Okay, so please do that, and I'll see you next time. Talk to you soon, and everybody, I'll see you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.